This 2014 Coachmen Brookstone 334RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.